Hi, my name's Roudy. Everyone knows me as Roudy. In the 4114 in Woodridge. Been here for about 23 years. Only just became homeless for the last 8 weeks. Due to having beautiful people like this church and everyone else, it's been a blessing. And it would be pretty hard without them around. Especially having the communication. You know, I'm not a really big person on communication, but these people have seemed to have been able to open up a little bit more about myself and feel confident. Oh, 45. There's not really much I haven't done. I was working security for a couple of years. I've only just fallen hard times for the last 8 weeks. Being in a relationship for 25 years, and just, you know, people just change, I suppose. Yeah, hit rock bottom. 16 weeks clean, so yeah, big up on that. That's a pretty big thing. Just trying to have hope, you know. And one point of stage in my life, I gave up. I didn't think there was anyone or anything that had voices or ears to, you know, comprehend with. But I believe, you know, I mean, you see the faith in people and how much they, you know, put into giving, and not so much receiving. The smile that you give back to them is what they're receiving back. Is all they need. And I just think it's beautiful that you've got people like this on the earth, you know, especially with people like us. You know, we just found down in their luck, but have faith. Everything's due to it. Thank you.
Thanks, brother.
You're welcome.